Improve your health, beauty, and well-being, using just one ingredient that you probably have in your kitchen right now? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. It's castor oil, and it has been used for centuries for various medicinal and cosmetic purposes. But did you know that applying castor oil in your belly button can have even more benefits than applying it on your skin or hair? That's right. Your belly button, or navel, is not just a scar from your umbilical cord. It's actually a powerful point that connects to many organs and systems in your body. By applying castor oil in your belly button, you can stimulate the absorption of its beneficial compounds into your bloodstream and enhance its effects on your health and beauty. In this video, I'm going to show you the 6 amazing benefits of applying castor oil in your belly button and how to do it correctly and safely. But before we get into that, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my new videos. Are you ready? Let's get started. Benefit number 1. Improved digestion. One of the most common and well-known benefits of castor oil is its ability to relieve constipation and improve digestion. Castor oil contains a fatty acid called ricinoleic acid, which acts as a natural laxative, promoting the smooth movement of stool through the intestines. By applying castor oil in your belly button, you can enhance this effect, as the oil will reach your digestive organs faster and more effectively. This can help you get rid of toxins and waste products, and prevent bloating, gas, and abdominal pain. To use castor oil for digestion, apply a few drops of the oil in your belly button before going to bed, and massage it gently in a circular motion. You can also place a warm compress over your abdomen to increase the absorption and circulation of the oil. Benefit number 2. Pain relief. Another benefit of castor oil is its ability to reduce pain and inflammation, especially in the joints and muscles. Castor oil has anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties, which can help ease the symptoms of arthritis, rheumatism, gout, and other inflammatory conditions. By applying castor oil in your belly button, you can deliver these properties directly to the affected areas and soothe the pain and swelling. To use castor oil for pain relief, apply a few drops of the oil in your belly button and massage it gently in a circular motion. You can also use a castor oil pack, which is a cloth soaked in warm castor oil, and place it over the painful area. Cover it with a plastic wrap and a heating pad, and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Benefit number 3. Enhanced skin health. Castor oil is also a great natural moisturizer and nourisher for your skin. Castor oil is rich in essential fatty acids, particularly ricinoleic acid, which has moisturizing and emollient properties. When applied to the belly button, the oil is absorbed into the skin, providing deep hydration and helping to maintain skin elasticity. This can be especially beneficial for individuals with dry or rough skin. Castor oil can also help improve the appearance of scars, stretch marks, wrinkles, and blemishes, by stimulating the production of collagen and elastin, and promoting skin regeneration. To use castor oil for skin health, apply a few drops of the oil in your belly button, and massage it gently in a circular motion. You can also mix it with other oils, such as coconut oil, olive oil, or almond oil, to enhance its effects. Benefit number 4. Hair growth promotion. Castor oil is also a popular remedy for hair loss and thinning hair. Castor oil can stimulate blood circulation to the scalp, and provide nutrients and antioxidants to the hair follicles, which can help promote hair growth and prevent hair fall. Castor oil can also moisturize and condition the hair, and prevent split ends, breakage, and dandruff. By applying castor oil in your belly button, you can boost the blood flow to your scalp, and nourish your hair from within. To use castor oil for hair growth, apply a few drops of the oil in your belly button, and massage it gently in a circular motion. You can also apply the oil directly to your scalp and hair, and leave it on for an hour or overnight, before washing it off with a mild shampoo. Benefit number 5. Detoxification. Another benefit of castor oil is its ability to support detoxification processes in the body. Castor oil can help eliminate toxins and waste products, allowing the organs involved in detoxification, such as the liver and kidneys, to function more efficiently. By applying castor oil in your belly button, you can enhance this effect, as the oil will reach your liver and kidneys faster and more effectively. This can help you cleanse your body from the inside out, and improve your overall health and well-being. To use castor oil for detoxification, apply a few drops of the oil in your belly button, and massage it gently in a circular motion. You can also use a castor oil pack, as described earlier, and place it over your liver or kidneys. Benefit number 6. Improved sleep. The last benefit of castor oil that I'm going to share with you is its ability to improve your sleep quality and quantity. Castor oil has a calming effect on the body and mind, and can help reduce stress and anxiety, which are common causes of insomnia and poor sleep. By applying castor oil in your belly button, you can stimulate the release of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good hormones, and promote relaxation and sleepiness. To use castor oil for sleep, apply a few drops of the oil in your belly button, and massage it gently in a circular motion. You can also add a few drops of lavender oil, which is known for its soothing and sedative properties, to enhance the effect. Do this before going to bed, and enjoy a peaceful and restful night. And those are the 6 amazing benefits of applying castor oil in your belly button. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below. Let me know if you have tried this method, and what results you have experienced. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of my new videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.